Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a swipe up link on your Instagram story. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the top left corner where it says your story. Let's pick a content that we want to upload. Let's click this one. Very easy, very simple. You can add multiple different elements. As you can see, you can add music. We can add different GIFs over here, elements, but the most important part that I mentioned earlier is how we're going to add link. If you can see over here, this is the latest version. If you don't have the latest version, you simply come over here and you type link and you will get the link over here. When you click link, now you're able to actually input the link that you want to put, right? For example, let's put apple.com, right? And then you put done. Now we have the Apple's link. You can hide it by making it smaller or making the background like this, invisible, right? Essentially, you can also put an arrow, right, to highlight, to essentially to direct people to the particular place. For example, we can come back over here and you can type arrow, right, and you can find this one and you can simply pick one of these. So simply you can put this underneath, you can put your product picture on top, and then you can put the arrow, directing people underneath. And remember, when you publish your story with the link itself on the people, this will not appear as you can see at the screen right now. The link will appear as a small arrow underneath, and it will pointing out towards sliding the people's finger from the bottom to the top of the screen. But this is how you can add a swipe up link. Very easy, very simple. Make sure you have the updated version on Instagram so it will be much easier for you. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.